Now we solve next problem. Find the eccentricity, focus and the length of latus rectum of ellipse x square plus 4y square plus 8y minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So equation of ellipse is given here, x square plus 4y square plus 8y minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 is equation of ellipse here. So given equation can be written as x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 4 into y square plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 4, or this is also be equal to x minus 1 whole square plus 4 into y plus 1 whole square is equal to 4, or x minus 1 whole square upon 4 plus y plus 1 whole square upon 1 is equal to 1. So let x minus 1 is equal to capital X and y plus 1 is equal to capital Y. Then equation will be x square by 4 plus y square by 1 is equal to 1. If you put x minus 1 equal to 0 and y plus 1 equal to 0, then we find x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. It means center point is 1 minus 1. So x square upon 4 plus y square upon 1 is equal to 1 is of the form x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. If we compare, then a will be equal to 2 and b will be equal to 1. In this case, we want to find here eccentricity, focus and length of latus rectum. So first we find eccentricity. So we know that b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. A is given here 2 and b is 1. It means 1 is equal to 4 into 1 minus e square, or 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 minus e square, or e square will be equal to 1 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 3 by 4. It means e will be equal to root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is eccentricity of ellipse. Now we find length of latus rectum, and length of latus rectum in this case is 2b square upon a. Length of latus rectum is 2b square upon a. So will be equal to 2 into b is 1. So 1 upon 2 or is equal to 1. It means length of latus rectum is 1 here. And coordinates of focus with new axis, because we assume here x minus 1 equal to capital X and y plus 1 equal to capital Y. So coordinates of focus with respect to new axis, in this case coordinates of focus is plus minus a0, so will be plus minus ae0, or will be equal to, because a is 2 and e is root 3 by 2, plus minus 0, or is equal to plus minus root 3 0. These are coordinates of focus with respect to new axis, but coordinates of focus with respect to old axis. Of focus with respect to old axis is equal to, because x is 1 and y is minus 1, so coordinates will be plus minus root 3 plus 1 and 0 minus 1 is equal to plus minus root 3 plus 1 minus 1 is coordinates of focus with respect to old axis. Now we solve next problem. Find the equation of ellipse whose center is at the origin, focus are 1 0 and minus 1 0, and eccentricity is 1 by 2. Given that center point is origin, here, and coordinates of focus is 1 0 and minus 1 0. We know that coordinates of focus is plus minus AE 0. It means AE will be equals to 1. Because eccentricity is 1 by 2, E is 1 by 2 given. Now on putting the value of E here, we find A is equal to 2. This is length of semi-major axis. But using the definition of ellipse, we know that locus of a point whose distance from two fixed points is a constant. It means if S and S dash are focus of ellipse and P is any point on ellipse, so SP plus SP dash will be equal to 2A. This is definition of ellipse. Locus of a point whose sum of the distances from two fixed points is constant. Definition of ellipse is locus of a point whose sum of the distances from a fixed point is constant. It means SP plus SP dash is equal to 2A. Here S is 1 0 and S dash is minus 1 0 and P is XY. It means SP will be equal to X minus 1 whole square plus Y minus 0 whole square under root plus SP dash is X minus 1. It means X plus 1 whole square plus Y minus 0 whole square under root will be equal to 2A. 2 into 2 because A is 2 here. So x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square under root plus x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square under root will be equal to 4, or x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square under root will be equal to 4 minus under root x square plus y square plus 2x plus 1. On squaring both sides, we find x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square will be equal to 16 plus x square plus y square plus 2x plus 1 minus 8 into under root x square plus y square plus 2x plus 1. This cancel by this and this cancel by this, 1 cancel by 1, and we find here minus 4x minus 16 is equal to minus 8 under root x square plus y square plus 2x plus 1, or will be equal to minus 4x minus 16 is equal to minus 8 into under root x square plus y square plus 2x plus 1. So x plus 4 is equal to 2 into under root x square plus y square plus 2x plus 1. Now on squaring both sides, then we find x plus 4 whole square will be equal to 4 into x square plus y square plus 2x plus 1, or x square plus 16 plus 8x is equal to 4x square plus 4y square plus 8x plus 4. This cancel by this, or we find 3x square plus 4y square minus 12 is equal to 0 is required equation of ellipse.